Welcome back to my channel. Our today's recipe is onion rings. Once you try these extra crispy onion rings, you'll never need to search for another recipe. So we'll need all-purpose flour, a little corn flour, salt. We'll give it a good mix. Now we are adding milk into it. You can also add water in place of milk. Now we are going to break one egg in this. Mix it again. This batter needs to be thick so that it gets well coated with our onions. This consistency is better. Now we will cut our onions. Cut the onions into rings about 1/4 of an inch thick and separate them from each other. This recipe works best with a big and medium sized ring. Here I am separating rings from one another. Now coat this onion ring in this mixture that we have prepared as well, and then coat in breadcrumbs, and it's ready to be fried. Now the final step is to fry it. I recommend adding about 3 to 4 onion rings at a time so that it is less likely that they burn. It seems ready now. It's perfectly crispy and golden brown in color. Enjoy these crispy onion rings with a dip of your choice. Here I am doing my plating. The recipe is fairly simple. That said, if you have any question about how to make it, please come back and leave a comment below. Thanks for watching CookTube Ronak. Keep watching my channel. Till then, take care and have a good day.